Good morning my dear students. So in last video we already learned about first 4 problems related on properties of determinants, right? So today we will discuss remaining problems. So these problems are interesting and also important for your final exam. Okay. Now I will discuss 5th problem. Next slide. So 5th problem, show that determinant b plus c whole square a square b square c plus a whole square b square c square a plus b whole square is equal to 2abc into a plus b plus c whole cube. So we have to prove that given LHS is equal to RHS. So see here, RHS 2abc into a plus b plus c whole cube. So for getting RHS value, so we need some constructions, right? So solution. So given LHS, solution. So given LHS. So LHS is nothing but given determinant value, right? So determinant of, so b plus c whole square, a square, right? So b square c plus a whole square b square, so c square a plus b whole square. So next step, operating. So c1 implies c1 minus c3 and c2 implies c2 minus c3. So you know that, so c1 is nothing but first column, c2 is nothing but second column, c3 is nothing but third column. So why should I take c1 implies c1 minus c3 and c2 implies c2 minus c3? So for getting RHS a plus b plus c, so we should operate c1 implies c1 minus c3 and c2 implies c2 minus c3, then only we get a plus b plus c. So see here, which implies, so c1 implies, if I changing c1 and c2, write c3 as it is, right? So a square b square a plus b whole square, right? So c1 implies c1 minus c3, so changing c1, so b plus c whole square minus a square, so b plus c whole square minus a square. Next, b square minus b square, directly we get 0. Next, c square minus a plus b whole square. Next, c2 implies c2 minus c3, that means a square minus a square, so directly we get 0. Next, c plus a whole square minus b square. Next, so c square minus of a plus b whole square. So next step. So see here, so you know that a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. In the same way, b plus c whole square minus a square is nothing but b plus c plus a, which implies b plus c plus a into a plus b into a minus b. So b plus c minus a. So next, 0, write as it is 0 a square. So next second row. So अगर second row लेना आते हैं 0 again a square minus b square a plus b into a minus b. That means, so c plus a plus b into c plus a minus b. C plus a minus b. Okay. So write b square as it is. Write b square as it is. Okay. Next step. So again a square minus b square, again a plus b into a minus b, that means C plus A plus B into C. So next multiplying minus sign. So minus A minus B. So again A square minus B square. So C plus A plus B into C minus A minus B. So write A plus B whole square as it is. So A plus B whole square, right? So see here. So in first column A plus B plus C common. Second column A plus B plus C common. Take it outside. So taking A plus B plus C common from C1 and C2. This is nothing but C1, C2, C3. So common todi. So first column is A plus B plus C na common todi. Yenate A plus B plus C. Again second column A plus B plus C common. A plus B plus C. So remaining element write as it is. So in C1, B plus C minus A 0 C minus A minus B. So C2 0 C plus A minus B C minus A minus B, right? Next in C3 write A square B square A plus B whole square, right, as it is. Okay, write first. So next step. So you know that this is nothing but R1, R2, R3. So next step, operating. So we have to reduce R3 value. Okay. So operating R3 implies R3 minus R1 minus R2. R3 implies R3 minus R1 minus R2. Then only we get A plus B plus C. Okay. So if I changing R3, write R1 and R2 as it is. So see here A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C whole square, right? So A plus B plus C whole square. So if I changing R3, write R1 and R2 as it is. So R1 value B plus C minus A 0 A square. Next R2 0 C plus A minus B B square, right? So R3 implies R3 minus R1 minus R2. So see here R3 value ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ C minus A minus B minus R1. So ನೋಡಿ R3 minus R1 ಏನಿದೆ, so minus ಇದೆ, so bracket ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So minus of B plus C minus A minus R2. So R2 ಏನಿದೆ 0. R2 ಏನಿದೆ 0. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ C minus A minus B minus B. So minus into plus minus C minus into minus plus A minus 0. So see here, so minus A plus A get cancelled, minus C plus C get cancelled. So minus B minus B, so minus 2B. So we get minus 2b. So in a same way, take next element. So again R3. So C minus A minus B minus of R1 0. So minus R3 minus R2. So C plus A minus B, right? So C minus A minus B minus C plus into minus minus A minus into minus plus B, right? So minus B plus B cancel. Next plus C minus C cancel, we get minus A minus A minus 2A minus 2 into A. So next again R3 value, A plus B plus C whole square, A plus B whole square minus R1 value A square minus R2 value enide, see here B square minus B square. So we know that A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB minus A square minus B square. So A square cancel, B square cancel. So we get 2 times of AB. So we get 2 times of AB. Okay. Next step. So you know that C1, C2, C3, right? Column 1, column 2, column 3. So next step operating. So for getting A plus B plus C, so operating C1 implies C1 plus 1 by A into C3, okay, and C2 implies C2 plus 1 by B into C3, 1 by B into C3. This is nothing but C1, C2, C3, okay. So which implies A plus B plus C whole cube. So if I changing C1, C2, write C3 as it is, So C3 value A square B square 2 times of AB. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ C1 value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So C1 implies operating C1 plus 1 by A into C3. So see here C1 value B plus C minus A plus 1 by A into C3 value A square, right? A square. A get cancel. So finally we get B plus C minus A into A. Sorry, minus A plus, so remaining A. Minus A plus A cancel, we get B plus C. So B plus C. Next B plus C. So again, so C2 changes to C2 plus 1 by B into C3. So C2 value, see here C2 value 0 plus 1 by B into C3 value. So see here C3 value A square. So which is equal to A square divided by B. A square divided by B. So next again C1 value 0. So 0 plus 1 by A into 0 plus 1 by A into C3 value B square. So we get B square divided by A. Again C2, see here C2 value C plus A minus B plus 1 by A into C3. So C3 value B square. C3 value B square, right? Which is equal to, sorry, this is 1 by B. So BB cancel. So C plus A minus B plus B. So minus B plus B get cancel, we get C plus A. Again C1. So see here C1 value minus 2B plus 1 by A into C3 value 2AB. 2AB. AA cancel, we get minus 2B plus 2B. Minus 2B plus 2B get cancel, we get 0. So next C2 value. So see here C2 again minus 2A plus 1 by B into C3. C3 value 2AB. So BB cancel. So minus 2A plus 2A get cancel. We get 0. We get 0. Next step. So nodi, this is nothing but R1, R2, R3. So ಈಗ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ along R3. So you know that. So plus minus plus. So which is equal to A plus B plus C. Sorry, A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square. So noting 0 into anything 0 0. So third row. So consider third row. So 2AB into. So eliminating ith row jth column, right? So B plus C into C plus A minus B square by A into A square by B. Okay, so which implies A plus B plus C whole square. So 2AB into, so nodi B into B into C BC plus B into A AB plus C into C C square plus C into A AC minus. So see here AA cancel, 1B cancel. So finally we get AB. Okay, so see here plus AB minus AB get cancel. Okay, write first. So next step. So write A plus B plus C whole square as it is. Okay, so A plus B plus C whole square into, so 2AB into, so write remaining elements. So BC plus C square plus AC. Okay, so see here, so from 3 elements C common, right? C take it outside. So which is equal to A plus B plus C whole square into, so 2AB, so C common, take it outside. So remaining B plus C plus A. So which implies, so A plus B plus C whole square into A plus B plus C. So we get A plus B plus C whole cube into 2 times of ABC. So which is equal to 2 times of ABC into A plus B plus C whole cube, which is equal to RHS. Okay, right. Okay students, next problem 6.1. If x comma y comma z are all distinct and if determinant x square 1 plus x cube, y square 1 plus y cube, z square 1 plus z cube is equal to 0, then so we have to show that x y z is equal to minus 1. So by using given determinant, so we have to show that x y z is equal to minus 1. Okay, solution. So we have the already given, so we have given determinant. So first you write the determinant value. So determinant of x square, so determinant value x square, so given determinant, so x square 1 plus x cube, y square 1 plus y cube, z square 1 plus z cube is equal to 0. So by using properties of determinant, this determinant can be written as any determinant can be written as sum of two or more determinants, right? So which implies, so x y z, right? So x square y square z square. So next 1 1 1 1 1 1. So by using properties of determinant, next element again x y z, x square y square z square. So next x cube y cube z cube. So determinant ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ by using property split ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So this can be written as, so first determinant can be written as say some delta 1, so which is equal to 0. Second determinant say some delta 2 which is equal to 0. Say some delta 1 is nothing but first determinant, delta 2 is nothing but second determinant. Okay, next, so consider delta 2. So consider delta 2. So delta 2 is nothing but, so consider delta 2 is nothing but which is equal to x square x cube, y square y cube, z square z cube. So this one call it as some equation star. Okay, so delta 1 plus delta 2 is equal to 0 is call it as equation star. So consider delta 2. So we have to express delta 2 in terms of delta 1. So see here taking x y z from R1 R2 and R3 as common. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ R1 ಇಂದ x ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, R2 ಇಂದ y ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, R3 ಇಂದ z ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ delta 2 is equal to x y z. Common from, you know that this is nothing but R1 R2 R3. Okay, so take it as common R1. So 1 x square. So x na ನಾನು R1 ಇಂದ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 y square 1 z square. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ, ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ 1 is nothing but x square 1, y square 1, z square 1. So we have to express given determinant in terms of delta 1. Okay, so delta 2. So next, so you know that C1 C2 C3. So C1 is nothing but column 1, C2 is nothing but column 2, C3 is nothing but column 3. So interchanging or operating C1 interchanges to C3. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ 1 ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, C1 interchanges to C3. So we get delta 2. If I interchanging any two rows or any columns, then the value of determinant is negative, right? So minus xyz. So C1 interchanges to C3. C3 is nothing but x square, y square, z square. So write C2 as it is. So x, y, z. So C1 1 1 1. Okay, write first. Okay, next step. So again operating again operating. So C1, this is nothing but C1, C2, C3. So C1 interchanges to C2. C1 interchanges to C2. So we get, again if I interchanging C1 and C2, the value of the determinant is negative. Again delta 2 is equal to minus of xyz into again negative minus 1 into interchanging C1 and C2. So x, y, z. So C1 x square, y square, z square, 1 1 1, right, as it is. So see here delta 1 value x y z, x square y square z square 1 1 1 is nothing but delta 1. So which is equal to, so minus into minus plus x y z into this total determinant value is nothing but delta 1. So delta 1. So delta 2 is equal to x y z into delta 1. So equation star implies, oh equation star gottire alva already. So delta 1 plus delta 2 is equal to 0. So delta 1 plus, so delta 2 value xyz into delta 1, xyz into delta 1, which is equal to 0. So see here delta 1 common, take it outside. Okay, so delta 1 common, take it outside. So delta 1 common, take it outside. So remaining 1 plus xyz into delta 1, which is equal to 0. That means 1 plus xyz is equal to 0 or delta 1 is equal to 0. So 1 plus xyz is equal to 0 or delta 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so next we have to find whether the delta 1 is equal to 0 or not. Check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, delta 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ 1. ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ 1 is nothing but x, y, z, right? So x square, y square, z square, 1 1 1. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Then how to simplify the given determinant? See here 1 1 1. So ನಾವು 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ R1, R2, R3, right? So operating R2 implies R2 minus R1, directly we get 0, right? 1 minus 1 0. And R3 implies R3 minus R1. Okay, so if I changing R2 and R3, write R1 as it is. So delta 1 is equal to x square 1. See here R2 minus R1, so y minus x, next y square minus x square. So 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Next R3 minus R1, so z minus x, z square minus x square. Again R3 minus R1, so 1 minus 1 0. So next step, expanding along expanding along first row. So plus, minus, plus. Okay, expanding the given determinant along, expanding along R1. Okay, write first. So next step. So this one call it as some equation 1. Okay, 1 plus xyz into delta 1 is equal to 0, call it as some equation 1. So expanding along first row. You know that how to simplify the given determinant, right? So plus, minus, plus. So first one eliminating x into ith row jth column. So which is equal to delta 1 is equal to x into eliminating ith row jth column. So 0 into anything 0, minus 0 into anything 0. So finally we get 0, right? Next sign minus x square. Minus x square, again eliminating ith row jth column. So 0 into anything 0. 0 into anything 0. Plus 1 into eliminating ith row jth column. So y minus x into. So y minus x into z square minus x square minus z minus x into y square minus x square. Okay. So which is equal to 0 into anything 0. So here again x square into anything, x square into 0, 0. So y minus x. So a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So in here z square minus x square is nothing but z plus x into z minus x minus z minus x into again a square minus b square y plus x into y minus x, right? So see here, so y minus x, z minus x. So y minus x, z minus x common, take it outside. So y minus x into z minus x common. So remaining z plus x minus plus into minus minus plus into minus minus x, right? So plus x minus x get cancelled. So finally we get, so y minus x z minus x into z minus y, which is equal to delta 1. That means, so delta 1 not equal to 0. Delta 1 not equal to 0. If delta 1 is not equal to 0, then equation 1 implies. So delta 1 is not equal to 0, obviously 1 plus xyz is equal to what? 0, right? Because x, y and z are all distinct. So clearly we can say that from equation 1, clearly we can say that from equation 1 implies, or equation 1 implies, so delta 1 is not equal to 0. Clearly we can say that 1 plus xyz is equal to 0. So xyz is equal to, so plus 1, take it into RHS minus 1. This is the final result. Okay, clear? Thank you.